education where we help people when bad storm comes in their hard blood self-powered nice, my friend. Good.
Boy tayo.
Here in Philippines, 3 days raining.
Tayo kulay dilaw, no?
Too much raining here. 3 days. 3 days.
Yung dosi tayo ng tayo, kulay dilaw ka.
Makakain na kayo jokes. Tawari siya, tawari siya.
Kabili yung sul, para pagkain ko yun. Maghanap mo na ako ng mababang kapon sa ilas. Ako hihiga ako. May nakaantot pa.
Kapakay na ang top.
3 days raining here because the storm coming, big storm. The other area is too much flood here in Philippines, and 3 days no work that time because cancel no classes and all. Government is no work because of too much raining and the water high other city. That can be bad when you get a lot of rain. You cannot work. Yes, that's right, my friend. Because my work is on the field, deliver to school. Yes. Sometimes I'm going hiking to deliver to school because the other area is a mountain. The other the school is upper the mountain. Sometimes I'm hiking going there to need children books, new books to learn. Yes, kaya I deliver to school. My duty and responsibility to deliver to school.
Shout out from tayo Philippines.
Itong pupa. Ilang tao eh. Isang po yung camera.
1 hour break time.